G'day there. You've reached the channel of the Aussie BIM Guru. For me, BIM isn't just my profession, it's my passion. I work in Sydney as a BIM specialist. However, in my downtime, I manage this channel where I'll share such educational videos on topics as Revit, Dynamo, Rhino 3D, Grasshopper, Navisworks, Python scripting, and much, much more. Essentially anything relating to BIM that I think is worth sharing. So if you're not already subscribed to this channel, feel free to do so, and hopefully I'll see you on my videos. If you have any requests, feel free to either email me or leave me a comment in my videos. Thanks. See you in the videos. Take care. Bye.